and welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have Trendsend. Trendsend is a styling service by Evereve, which is a brick and mortar store as well as online. They are known for their very trendy and pretty expensive clothing items. You're going to get premium denim, you're going to get names like Sanctuary and Cut from the Cloth, Agolde, and I'd just like to share with you my box today. For a $20 styling fee, they will style you and send you a box. Anything that you decide to keep in that box, that $20 gets applied to it. Now, in 2020, I had the style pass because I purchased a certain amount of dollars worth of goods at the beginning of the pandemic, and they gave me until the end of 2020 10% off or 20% off, plus in addition to that, my styling pass is only $1. Fee was $1. Now it's 2021 and it still seems like that carried through. I have to see when I check out whether they charge me the $20 styling fee or not, but my prices here seem to be 20% off. So let me go over with you what's in my box. First, I have on this Tarte James Moto jacket, and it is my price $84.86. Now this is a very nice Moto jacket. It is a knit material, like almost like a thin sweatshirt, but no fleece. So just basically a knit. You know, it has the Moto style asymmetrical zipper, right? It has the zip pocket here, and a zip pocket here. Let's make sure they're functioning. Yes, they are functioning pockets. It's really quite nice and nothing to complain about it. I just don't need a Moto jacket. I have a knit one, not knit, it's like a denim with a lot of stretch to it from Liverpool, which I got like a year or 2 years ago from my mix and match. So I certainly don't need another one. It's very nice, no complaints about it. Now, one thing, my box usually comes from the Pittsburgh store. You get to choose the store it comes from. It didn't this time. It seemed to have come from a Texas store, and I kind of remembered now, oh, I think Pennsylvania was shut down, and I think that's why my box was directed to Texas. Now, one thing I'm a little disappointed about, one of the reasons why I use Trendsend versus order directly from the site is because I like to buy a lot of things and try them on, and I had given them, you can do a wish list on Evereve, and if you use the same email address as your account for Trendsend, the stylist can see what you put on your wish list and she can send you some of the items. In addition, you leave your stylist a note, and I gave her a laundry list of items that I was looking for, which are also on my wish list, but specific ones that I really wanted now, whatever she can find, and then look at my wish list for the rest. And very few items, I don't think she actually read my note, and I think she just kind of went to my wish list and picked one or two random items, because most of the things in this box is nothing I requested. So I'm really bummed about that, because I really wanted some stuff from the site, and I didn't want to, order it and then have to deal with returning it and paying for shipping or getting insurance. With this, shipping is free both ways, and you get a return mailer. So right now, this is a very nice Moto jacket, absolutely no complaints about whatsoever. I just simply don't need it, okay? So this will be going back. Next, let me show you this top. It is the Mika tie-dye top by Peyton Jensen in cream black, okay? And I almost thought this was navy, but I guess it is black. It is in an extra small, which is my size, and same with the Moto jacket, and my price is $48.96, okay? So it has the, I guess, mock neck and the 2 buttons in the back, which I don't mind, and it is seamless. I do have an itsy bitsy bit of bat wing here, but nothing that would be a deal breaker. It's a cute top. It can be, front tucked. You have to excuse me because the jeans I sent are a little snug. It can be front tucked. Nothing wrong with it. It's just nothing that is screaming out to be by me, okay? So again, it's nice. Now, I did pin a bunch of loose-fitting jeans, or they look loose-fitting on their models, and she sent me one of them called the Agolde Riley High Rise Straight. in Whiplash, and she said she sized up to give me the loose and baggy fit I wanted. Well, as you can see, they're not loose and baggy. They are quite tight up here, and because they're high-rise, I get all this extra fabric down here, which I just don't feel is attractive at all. I do not like saggy crotch at all. And it's like, yes, I can hike them up, but already they're already hitting my ribs. Like my rib is right here where it's hitting. So these are a no for me. Plus, they're just not the silhouette I was looking for. Like I said, she did size up. These are 26. They are snug right in this area, my hip area, which is my problem area. But even still, even if I even sized up more, it just would not, it's just not the silhouette that I was looking for. So I'll back up so you can see. It's a straight leg, but it's not a wide leg like I was looking for, you know? All right, so I'll come over here. You can see the jeans a little bit better. Oh, and there are a hidden button fly all the way up, okay? So nothing wrong with that. I have no issues with that. It's just not the silhouette that I was looking for. And here's the back of them, so you can see what the back looks like. Typical, you know, 5-pocket styling. Some distressing at the knees. Obviously, you can see that, all right? And to be honest with you, I can handle distressing, but at the knees, quite honestly, annoys me. And I don't like big holes like this, because when you go to put your jeans on, your foot always goes through the knee hole and it rips it more. Does that not happen to anyone else? It just kind of annoys me that it's right there. Like, I don't mind if it's like a little distressing here on the side or on the side, but right at the knees, it annoys me. I can't get my freaking foot into it without, like, you know, getting it through that hole. So the jeans are a no, the jacket is a no, and this top is a no. I am going to try on a sweatshirt that was on my wish list next. Give me a minute. Okay, and I forgot to tell you what the price of these Agolde jeans are, and these are my price. They're $142.56, so not exactly cheap. So if it be something that I would keep, I'd absolutely have to love it, and I just don't. Oh, and one thing, these are more like the traditional jeans. There's really not much stretch in these at all. Very, very little. I mean, there is a little bit, but not much. All right, next up is a sweatshirt that I actually did put on my list. It is the Perfect Sex sweatshirt by Sanctuary in pink and lime tie-dye. And at first when I was like looking, I'm like, lime? But yes, down here at the bottom, I'll come closer so you can see. There is a little bit of lime, but it's very, very faint, okay? And also here on the arms. It's on the arms too. So yes, it is. They're calling it pink and lime, and I would say it's lavender and yellow, to be honest with you. I don't consider this pink, but okay. It has the elasticized cuffs, and it definitely has a fleece on the inside, a very thin, super soft, like butter fleece. And it has the straight edge front. It has like the balloon sleeve effect because of the band. I think I kind of like this. This is a maybe. How much is this? This is $48.96. So this is a possibility. I kind of like this. This is a good, you know, I'm hanging out in the house and you want a soft sweatshirt to snuggle up in. I think this is kind of cute. I like this. So this is a maybe, okay? I don't think $48.90. Oh, sorry, this is not $48.96. I take that back. $56.88. So $56.88, it's still not a horrible price, all right? So this is a maybe, okay? All right, next outfit is coming up. Up next is a name brand I have never tried before. It's nothing I requested. She sent it to me. I'm glad she sent it to me. It's absolutely beautiful. This is the Bobi mini ribbed hoodie and the Bobi mini ribbed cargo jogger, all right? The jogger is $70.56 and the hoodie is $63.36. So if I were to buy this set, it would be over, let's see, 7, 6, 13, $133. Now, don't get me wrong. This is the most beautiful fabric I think I ever felt in my life. This is quality fabric. I'm very impressed with this name brand. It is a super soft fleece on the inside. This is definitely quality, and I would say the price, at least my prices, are worth the quality of this. This is a beautiful set. However, for me, I can't justify spending $133 on something like this. I just can't, you know. It's to me, this is like a hanging around the house outfit. Yeah, if I had to, I can run an errand in this and not be embarrassed. but to me, I just cannot justify a price like this. If you said, Carolyn, you need a nice outfit for going out to dinner in, I have no problem spending $130, no problem whatsoever. But to buy an outfit for $130 something to hang around in the house in, I just can't. You know, it has the two little cargo pockets here on the side. Oh God, the inside of the pockets are super soft too. This is beautiful, you know. And I'm gonna keep my eye out for this name brand in the future, because I will definitely consider ordering other items from this name brand if they're within my price range, you know, and what I'm looking for. But this is nice. It has the two slash pockets here on the side. It has a working drawstring waist. I can't say enough nice things about this set. So if you're looking for a really nice loungewear set, yeah, this is it. This is really a nice loungewear set. It's like butter, and the material is just like incredible. And they're calling it ribbed, and yes, there's such teeny tiny ribs on it. And it, you know, for those that don't like heathering, I'll come closer because there is a little bit of heathering to the fabric, if you can see. I would say this is like an oatmeal color, all right? I really like it. I just simply cannot justify the price. All right, give me a minute because they gave me another top to go with this. Okay, up next, along with this jogger set, she says, you know, mix and match with the outfit, is the Aimee Henley Rib top in bone, size small. 37.44. It's by Z Supply. Yeah, this is not me. This is too boxy. Doesn't do anything for me. It's soft, and it has like a rib detail, and it's a Henley, so it has the button here in the front. So let me show you the rib detail. Okay, nothing specifically wrong with it. This is just not me. To me, this is just not a flattering item. Okay. All right, last outfit of the bunch. Give me a minute. Okay, I have the last outfit on. The first thing that she gave me was the Look at Me Now Spanx Leggings in black, size extra small. Now, I mentioned this numerous times on my channel, so while I can fit into the extra small on the Spanx Leggings, I prefer to do a small. And these are a little bit tight in coming up and trying to get them up over this area here. I can get them and they do fit, but I would prefer a size small. I also don't need black leggings. I mean, I can, you know, I actually don't think I even own a pair of solid black leggings, or except for my Spanx that are like, take that back. I have a lot of faux leather leggings. I don't have any plain ones. But I just don't want or need that. The faux leather ones are enough for me. And along with it, she gave me this, and the Spanx leggings are, the Spanx leggings, my price are $48.96. So not a bad price for Spanx. Then she gave me this cable cardigan, and they're calling it light gray, where it's a black and a gray thread knitted together. It's $84.96, and it's also by the name brand Boby, B-O-B-I. So for the thickness of this cardigan, I think that's a good price. It has the patch pockets, and I can show you the color. It has like a braiding down here. You see the braiding? And I guess this is like a shaker style knit. You know what? It has like a shawl collar here. This is a really nice sweater, cardigan for $84.80. This is totally worth it to me. I just don't like the fit of it on me. I kind of feel kind of frumpy, like maybe it's like a little bit too big, like in the arms and everything. And it just doesn't look flattering. To me, it looks like a frumpy sweater. The quality of it, again, I'm so happy to have seen this name brand Boby, B-O-B-I. Never dealt with it before, but it is nice. I like this name brand. I just don't particularly care for this sweater on me, you know? So, and along with it, she gave me this tank, which also happens to be Boby. It is, let's see, the high-low tunic tank in the color Canyon, $34.56. If I already didn't own a couple of tops in this color already, I have one I got from a mix and match. It's more of a brown or chestnut, and another one that I got also from Trendsend last year, and it's like a faded in this color, like much lighter, and both of them are tank style. I might consider this, but both are tank style, so, and in his color scheme, so I'm gonna have to put a pass on it. But this is nice. It's got the high-low and the slit on the side, so you can obviously wear this with leggings. You know, one thing I'm not too wild about it, and I'll show it up close, it's like almost like a raw hem bottom, and I'm not so sure how that would wash, to be honest with you, because it's like already like jagged. So I don't know if it would start to unravel and whatnot. But other than that, this quality of the material, it is soft and silky. It is nice, and I think this fits nice too. Comes up high, you know, no issues. Like it, I just don't need it. So even though I'm not keeping any of the Bobi, B-O-B-I, I can't say enough nice things about this product. I'm like blown away. It's really nice quality, and I think for the price, it's definitely worth it. Okay, well, what did you think of my Trendsend? What should I keep? Like right now, I think the only thing I might keep is this Sanctuary sweatshirt. I'm gonna look to see if they charge me the $20 styling fee, and if they did, I will be keeping the sweatshirt. I like the sweat outfit a lot, but I mean, between it, something I'm not gonna be wearing outside the house, being like beige that I'll probably slop up in no time, I think I'm just going to have to pass on it. I don't need any black leggings. I certainly didn't need the Moto jacket. The jeans are not the type of style I was looking for. You know, I wish they would have read my note and looked at my wish list a little bit closer, because I had a ton of stuff on there that I was looking for. They just didn't select. The only thing they selected was this sweatshirt and the jeans, and that was it. And I had so much stuff on there, and I just can find it hard to believe. It was all mostly new items, and not brand new, but you know, not on sale either. I can understand if I was choosing only clearance items, but I wasn't. Oh well, until maybe next time I'll get a better box. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't liked and subscribed, I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxings. I appreciate your support. If you would, give my channel a thumbs up and click the notification bell. Thank you again, and take care until next time.